So today we have with us Mr. Devesh. Uh, he does not need any introduction. He's associated with Twitter for a very long time. So I'll not take much of the time, and I would ask Mr. Devesh, sir, what are your views on Star Night Award function? You have been associated with us for quite a long time.
It's always a great effort from our India team. And it doesn't start with the Star Night, it starts with the launch of the brand book, which has become a unique document for the industry and a reference book for everybody. And this is a unique collection. Everybody comes from here, they enjoy also, they do the working, and they gain a lot of knowledge. That is very important. Because the content which comes out of the whole day conclave, that is very important. And the way our India team is putting efforts into that content and getting the right people at the platform, that is also very, very important. Because somebody comes for 2 days, spends 2-3 days and doesn't get a value out of it, it doesn't make us business sense. But when they get the content and the growing popularity of the award is a testimony to how people have been performing over the years.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So sir, what are the pressing issues as of now for FETA and how are you trying to address them?
See, FETA was basically formed for the online fight. We have been trying, we had an agreement with a number of brands, continued for the years. But during that time, the business is changing very fast. So the role of the FETA has now 2 ways. One is to be in talks with the brand, now with the government also, on the government policies on the e-commerce. Plus, we need to educate our members so that they can move forward and make the business hybrid. So that the purpose is to make the business hybrid. Now today if you see the e-commerce platforms, about 10% of the discounting is coming from the sources which I don't think brand can regulate, like cashbacks, like EMIs and all those things. So a lot of interference from the government is required and the FETA is already talking to the government, drawing their attention towards this. That is one part of it. And second, if the partners come in collective way in India IT Mall, they can also derive all the benefits. Second thing what FETA has been very successfully done. You must have seen the rates which have gone on Amazon and Flipkart and other companies and the unethical practice they have been doing. And they are being caught red-handed. They have got shell companies as a sellers. It's not a real marketplace. And government is putting focus on that. DII is after them. And now Competition Commission of India is also going to be still there, knocking their doors. So that is also one part of the FETA where we are working with the government, giving them a lot of inputs and details. Even if you see the today's tweet of the FETA, we have given a tweet on one of the models Core i5 laptop, which is worth 50,000 rupees from a top brand of India, quoted at 10,000 rupees on GEM, which is in the government portal. So something wrong is happening somewhere on GEM also. So we are trying to draw the attention of the government towards all those happenings. And that has become a very prime role of FETA. Today, recognition of FETA in the government agencies has increased many-fold in the last 2-3 years. And that is what I take as an achievement of my tenure. Now today you go to METI, you go to GEM, you go to any platform, everybody recognizes FETA. Thank you.